Hi guys, my name is Ifnaya and you're welcome to my channel. So we just got to Erin Ijesha Waterfalls and I'm so tired at this point because the suffer that I suffered to get here was on another level. We had to endure like 6 hours of traffic to get here. It wasn't like, it was not necessary. It was really not necessary. But we got here and, it was so much fun. It was totally worth it in the end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button and hit the bell notification button so that YouTube can let you know when I have a new video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comments are welcome too. I hear the water from here. There's no way I'm going to enter that water. Not possible. Yes, no. I'm already so tired. Oh yeah, Diego. Oh wow. Okay. You see you? We're moving. Yeah, we're going. What? It was totally what is like. I'm energized all of a sudden, yeah? Okay. I'm starting to get the vibe. Even though I'm tired. I'm starting to get the vibe. Third. Why are you climbing it like that? Corner like that. So why are you doing that? Like you must answer me. Okay, why they climb like that? Why you know they climb straight? Why you walk out side? Eh? Oh yeah. Say bye. If you walk out like that, you don't go tired. Okay, let's do this. It's in my bag. You guys, every single struggle, every single stress, every single pain was worth it, y'all. The fact that I can't breathe, totally worth it. Totally worth it. Don't fall me down. Huh? You guys look at this. It's amazing. We're coming to the second, what do I call it? The second layer. That ain't it, but that's what I'm calling it. There are 7, apparently there are 7. I hope you can even hear me because this water is loud, yo. I just can't wait to get to the part where I can dip my feet. Yo, this thing is not for the faint heart.
What are you doing?
fight this God. Oh, my eye is burning. Okay, you guys, there are people under the waterfall. I did not see that. I just saw the sound. Shivering like, but this is amazing. Like, this has been, and the stress and the suffer that I suffered to get here, but it was totally worth it in the end. I'm so happy that I didn't see at the at the point I wanted to like just turn around and go home. You understand? Because like, see, it was so much stress to get here. But yeah, seriously though. And he left me here. Can't see how beautiful the light is here. Totally worth it, guys. The time right now is 5:25. 5:25, and I'm going back to Lagos today. So yeah, I'll update you about my journey, my suffer, because I know it's just the suffer. You guys, like, the whole of the Ibadan was blocked. The whole of Ibadan was blocked. Like, my village people really went all out today. They were working hard, but Jesus was working harder on my behalf. What? And Jesus Christ, Jesus. It was almost an hour. And I thought it was gonna be like it was an hour on the bike, yeah? I thought it was gonna be like a 5 minutes or 10 minutes something. Fam, we were on the bike for like 20 minutes, yeah? And I checked, and Google said I still had like what, 30 minutes to go. How many minutes then? 20 minutes, yeah? And that was like after like another like maybe 15 minutes on the bike. See, I wanted to cry. At the point I just wanted to close my hands, disappear, open it and be in my house because nobody sent me. Yeah, I'm recording. Why? I'm shouting at you. I'm not talking like I'm recording. But yeah, oh, my hands are shaking. I'm so tired. But totally worth it, guys. Totally worth it. I hear when you shout, water increases. Let's try. Woo! Increase. My hand's spinning me up. Woo! I don't know. I don't think it increased. But that's what I heard though. Look at it. Just see how beautiful it is.